I was just talking to a woman in the grocery store. It's just the local grocery, or it's the co-op. And she was asking me about my ball jars, because I did go out and end up getting jars for the tree. At the end, I just said, yeah, like one tree, one person, 1 year. That's pretty much perfect. It's all you need. I do grow more than just the one tree, so that's the thing there. But after that, I said, you know, she had brought up the ball jars that I was buying, and she was asking me something about whether the store stocks them usually, like all year round. And I said, I don't really know. I think I've seen them here in smaller amounts. And she's like, oh, okay. And I walked out, and then I was like, what I meant by one tree, one person, 1 year is one tree in one's garden instead of more, but also, no, I basically just said it, and it wasn't true. So I hope she does come on here and see this and set the record straight. There's some other plants, but I did get the jars for the tree, so now I have enough. I think, I don't know, we'll see. I got 6. Okay, perfect weather, but it's getting quite chilly lately. Okay, I want to get more of those pop tops, the plunger tops. They work really good. They work well. They kind of keep you in the game. It's fun to use. It reminds you to check the jars. I would think if I was just hand popping them, I don't know if I'd think of it, or I do check them more often than I do just the hand twist ones. Like, something about them makes me forget. Anyway, heading back. See ya. I'm gonna go for a hike, and I'm not gonna be cold. I'm going to wear all my things. A scarf, a sweatshirt, and a sweater. That hill is looking more daunting. Maybe the dinosaur one across the street. I don't know if you're supposed to, is it free? I'm hungry. I don't have any food. Ooh, pretty. Oops. What? Ah! Do that, so I'm not gonna stay here either. And what is that? You can't drive through. Like, or you can. Oh, I guess you can. No parking, but you can drive, right? Okay. Wow. This must be really scary in winter to drive on this. There's a rock bed down there. Wonder how long it's been like that. It hasn't rained in 5 days. I feel like I've been here though. Sounds familiar. Dunbar. picnic spot right there. I just realized I'm lost. So this should be interesting. Let's see if I can get out of here. I do have like some semblance of a map coming up on the car thing here. It's just kind of vague though. So I think I can just, it won't, I don't think it'll track me until I'm online, but at least it's showing me basically where I am. This is how I have to find my way. I see where 91 is. Looks like my front end is pointed towards the highway. Best I can do for directions right now. Turkey Day, same day. Why do you guys trust me so much? I just came across another one of these, but it was seemed very pregnant. Better watch out. It's gonna be a fight. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm really close. I didn't realize I was so close. I thought I was more zoomed in than actually just sitting on top of it. How you doing?